Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today on our presentation, we'll be presenting to you guys fast reaction, precipitation of Argentum chloride. Let us move on to the introduction. First thing first, what is fast reaction? Fast reaction usually happen in spontaneous way. It happen very fast. It has high rate of reaction. It's occur so quick even at almost 10 to the power of -4 to 10 to the power of -6 for completion. It's occur as soon as the reactants are mixed together, and it's involve ionic species, and fast reaction also known as ionic reactions. So, for example of fast reaction is precipitation of Argentum chloride, AgCl.
The next one is ionic reaction. Ionic reaction is generally the reaction of ions that are anions and cations to form a compound in a medium in which they are dissolved. When ions of water-soluble salt interact with each other in aqueous medium, results in the formation of water-insoluble salt, which is the precipitate. In this topic, the molecular equation is natrium chloride react with argentum nitrate, then produce argentum chloride with natrium nitrate. For the ionic equation, natrium ion react with chloride ion, react with argentum ion, react with nitrate ion, and produce argentum chloride with natrium ion and nitrate ion. The next one is precipitation. The first one, precipitate are insoluble ionic solid products of a reaction formed when a certain cation and an ion combine in an aqueous solution. The determining factors of the formation of a precipitate can vary. Used for making pigments, removing salt from water in water treatment, and for qualitative chemical analysis. The third one, this effect is useful in many industrial and scientific applications whereby a chemical reaction may produce a solid that can be collected from the solution by various methods such as filtration, decanting, and centrifugation. The last one, precipitation of argentum chloride, is a common example of precipitation. It basically helps in removing chloride ion from water.
Next, we are going to look into methods to produce precipitation of argentum chloride. First, prepare solution of silver nitrate in a separate beaker. Then, prepare the solution of sodium chloride in another separate beaker. After that, gently add drops of sodium chloride solution using dropper into the beaker containing silver nitrate, and then observe the reaction.
Alright, so now let's watch a video about precipitation or double displacement reaction. Alright, as you guys can see, there is a bulk of precipitate appears in the form of suspended cloud of a white solid. For your information, under the right condition, small crystals of silver chloride form within the cloud. The crystals are more dense than the surrounding solution and rain down, creating a trail of white silver chloride behind as a trace of the precipitative path.
For the reaction that occurs during the precipitation of silver chloride, sodium chloride solution will be added to silver nitrate solution, and then a white precipitate of silver chloride, which is the precipitate, will instantly form.
An example of application that involves precipitation process is a water treatment. The insolubility of silver chloride make it possible to readily achieve a distinctive separation of silver from a mixed metal ion acidic solution. Using chloride precipitation with sodium chloride solution, the plant operation selectively remove all the silver from a pressure leach solution. In the processing system, the characteristic of silver chloride to pack and agglomerate appeared everywhere. In the thickener, where a set of racks had been installed, the silver chloride eventually packed into an enormous, slowly revolving a ball. In conclusion, a precipitation reaction can occur either as a fast or slow reaction. Many reactions happen spontaneously, such as neutralization, ionic reaction, biological reaction, and many more. So, the faster the reaction of precipitation, the faster the precipitation form.